it's Betsy, and today we have another unboxing video, and it feels like I've been doing this for a while today, and it actually is because, well, I received 3 of my subscription boxes yesterday and another 3 today. So I'm filming all my videos all at once because I was super excited and I wanted to open up my boxes. So this is the Mickey monthly box. This box, I think I signed up for the $59 a month box. It could be the $79 a month box. I signed up for so many boxes, I have no idea. So this is all Disney items, whether it be from the Disney parks or just from like the Disney store. Super awesome, or I don't know if it's awesome. I cut the tape, but I haven't opened it yet. One of the things I don't like is that my box came completely crushed. Now, that is probably the post office fault and not Mickey Monthly, but the box is super adorable. So we'll go ahead and open it up. Okay, so the first thing I see is it comes with a card that says, "A world full of things. It's such an honor to have a magical new member with very big wishes, Mickey Monthly." So, comes with that. The first thing I see on top is a Selma's peanut butter chocolate chip cookie. I'm guessing that's a bakery at Disney or Disneyland. I haven't seen that bakery, but doesn't mean it doesn't exist. My husband loves peanut butter and chocolate. I also received a Selma's triple chocolate brownie. Yummy. Does not help with my diet, but you know, hey, it is what it is. Also, ooh, I got some new ears. I got the It's a Small World ears. I actually do not have these. So as you can see on the front, it says hello. And on the back, it says goodbye. Oh, these are adorable. Which is funny because I have so many ears, and to get a set that I don't have. Aren't those cute? I love It's a Small World. And then last but not least, I also got, this is also from the Disney parks. This is a Little Mermaid. I think this is a wallet. It's either a wallet or a journal. It's a wallet. Oh, and it's got, it looks like it's printed with the VHS tape on the inside. So this looks like the original copy of Little Mermaid that I had. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. And then it has all the same text. That is super cute. So this retailed for $19.99. And then the ears retail for $24.99, I think. It doesn't say. But typically they're $24.99. So that is $54.99 plus the snacks. I think that my thing was $59. I could be wrong though. So, awesome sauce. I really like what's in here. We'll leave the ears on. So, hopefully you like this video. If you do, let me know down below. Let me know what your favorite item is in this box. And if there's any boxes you want me to subscribe to, I'm always game to subscribe to some new ones. But I guess that's it. Don't forget to check me out on all my social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram. We post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So we shall see you on Monday. Bye.